This Beko Harvest Fresh Aeroflow Total Frost-Free Fridge Freezer not only keeps your food fresher for longer, but also gives you cool water on tap. And with its Total Frost-Free technology, it eliminates the need for manual defrosting too. Using an innovative 3-color light technology, Beko's Harvest Fresh Fridge Freezers cleverly mimic the sun's 24-hour light cycle. This technology preserves the vitamins inside your fruit and vegetables for an additional 5 days. This means you won't have to throw away half-used rotten food and keeps your fridge in a healthier condition. Plus, you're also getting more nutrients out of every bite. This fridge doesn't only focus on your fruits and veg though. With Beko's Aeroflow cooling system, temperature fluctuations are minimized, reducing temperature differences between shelves. Now this means that every spot in your fridge gets a gentle and equal airflow, helping keep everything inside fresh for up to 30% longer. You also get fresh, cool water on the go whenever you want, using the dispenser on the front. The best part is that it doesn't even need to be plumbed in, saving you the time and hassle. All you have to do is fill the slim tank with water, which you can find on the inside of the door here. If you would like to find out more info about this Beko fridge freezer, you can visit us in store, head online, or even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.